Hello everyone, welcome back to Rasoi Rozana. So today, let's make a traditional Punjabi dish in a traditional Punjabi dhaba way. Let's make Bangan Bharta. To begin with, let's roast the eggplants or the bangan. For this, take some oil for smearing. Preferably use mustard oil, as mustard oil will enhance the flavor of the bharta. Once the eggplants are nicely smeared with oil, we'll make 3 to 4 slits in them. We do this to check for any worms that might be present. So check really well. A small tip: always check your eggplants for any holes before buying them. In 90% of the cases, eggplants have worms when they have holes. Now place a papad roaster on the gas and place the eggplants on it. Start roasting the eggplants while continuously turning them from side to side. While the eggplants are roasting, let's get to the bharta masala. In a heated pan, add 2 tablespoons of mustard oil. Add a teaspoon of jeera and let it crackle. Once the jeera starts crackling, add 4 to 5 finely chopped chilies and about 2 teaspoons of grated ginger. Generally, the fresh spice flavor of a chili is preferred in a bharta, and hence we add easily about 4 to 5 chilies. But you may adjust the spice quotient according to your taste. Now add 2 large finely chopped onions. Saute it till they turn translucent. Once the onions have turned soft and translucent, add about 3 medium-sized tomatoes that are finely chopped. Saute the onions and tomatoes together for about 2 to 3 minutes. Coming to the masalas, let's add about 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder and 2 teaspoons of chili powder to this. Remember to adjust the spice quotient according to your taste. Mix everything well and we'll cover and cook this for about 5 to 7 minutes. Meanwhile, our eggplants would have been roasted. Let's check on them. The eggplants look well roasted and cooked. Let's remove them from heat. Once they have slightly cooled down, let's remove them in a plate. Remove the stem and cut the eggplant into 2 pieces. Check both the halves again for any worms. It's always better to be sure. Do this for the second eggplant too. If the eggplants have cooked well, they'll be soft on the inside and have a smoky aroma to it. Now, let's start removing the roasted skin of the eggplants. For this, smear some oil on your fingers and slowly start removing the roasted peels. Never use water to peel off the skin, as it spoils the texture of the entire bharta. Repeat the same process for all the pieces. Now, you may either chop the eggplants or mash them with a potato masher. I generally like my bharta to have a few chunks of the bangan, and hence I prefer chopping them roughly. By now, our onion and tomato masala would have cooked well. So let's remove the lid on the pan. Mix the masala once again and then we'll add the cooked bangan to it. Give everything a nice mix and let the masalas coat well with the eggplant. Though the origins of Bangan Bharta are from Punjab, it is equally relished and enjoyed in other parts of the country too. It is known by different names in different states. Once the eggplant and the masalas have mixed well, add salt and coriander leaves. For a bharta, remember to be generous with coriander leaves. It adds a fresh flavor and a beautiful aroma to the dish. To complete the dish, cook the bharta for some more time, say 2 to 3 minutes, while stirring continuously. Your bharta is now ready to be served with hot fulkas, rotis or chapatis. Bon appetit! If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, do subscribe and hit that bell icon. If you like this recipe, click that like button and share this video with your family and friends. Thank you.